मुलांच्या शारीरिक व मानसिक विकासासाठी मुलांनी खेळणं खूप आवश्यक आहे. त्याच दृष्टिकोनातून लोकसेवा ई स्कूल पूर्व प्राथमिक विभागाच्या वतीनं अवेकनिंग द सेन्सेस या थीमवर योगा, झुंबा व क्रीडा स्पर्धांचे आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं. यावेळी नर्सरी व LKGच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी ख्रिसमस निमित्त सेलिब्रेशन देखील केलं. विद्यार्थ्यांनी झुंबा नृत्य सादर करून उपस्थितांची मने जिंकली. तसेच UKGच्या मुलांनी शारीरिक क्षमता व एकाग्रता वाढवणाऱ्या योगाचं प्रात्यक्षिक करून दाखवलं. यावेळी पालकांची विशेष उपस्थिती होती. त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रोत्साहन दिल्यानं विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये आणखीनच जोश वाढला. कार्यक्रमासाठी संस्थेचे संस्थापक अध्यक्ष दीपक पायगुडे, शिक्षण विभागाचे संचालक नरहरी पाटील यांचं मार्गदर्शन लाभलं. या कार्यक्रमास लोकसेवा ई स्कूलचे प्राचार्य शॉफीमॉन, क्रीडा प्रमुख जनक टेकाळे, मनोहर पाटील आदी मान्यवर उपस्थित होते. पूर्व प्राथमिक विभागाच्या मुख्याध्यापिका नेहा अभ्यंकर यांच्या संकल्पनेतून हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित करण्यात आला होता आणि या कार्यक्रमासाठी मिनल सम्मलवार, प्रीती पवार, श्रुती नेफाडकर, कविता साळी, मृण्मयी दहेडकर, वैष्णवी बारके, नेहा बालगुडे, अनिता सिंग आणि रश्मी आंबोरे या शिक्षकांचं विशेष सहकार्य लाभलं.
I just want to say thank you so much for the principal ma'am and all the teachers and all the PTM teachers for their effort and their work, their hard work and commitment what they are doing it. Like whatever the activities, like school activities, maybe the sport activities or the project activities or the the education or whatever activities they are holding it, due to that the children are growing and it is really important for them to be at this stage the project activities and sport activities to be held, so their growth will be so important. And I'm really very thankful and I'm really very happy to be a part of a Lok Seva e-school. Thank you.
आजचा प्रोग्राम स्पोर्ट्स डे होता प्री प्रायमरीसाठी. खूप सुंदर ऑर्गनाईज केलेलं होतं आणि मुलांना खूप मजा आली. वेगवेगळ्या रेसेस होत्या आणि त्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड होत्या, म्हणजे त्यांना वेगवेगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी थ्रू शिकायलाही मिळेल आणि एन्जॉय पण करता येईल अशा पद्धतीने रेसेस अरेंज केलेल्या होत्या आणि मुलांना खूप मजा आली. खूप एनर्जेटिक वातावरण होतं. आम्ही पण खूप मज्जा केली. थँक्यू.
See, study here in the play group and the kind of performance which we have seen here, not only from Adya, even from all the kids, was awesome. I must say the kind of effort put in by all the teachers, right, to taking the performance from such a small kids, right, it was fantastic. It's a super performance given by all the kids. So that's all what I need, right, because this kind of kids, right, if they are doing well in the sports and all activities, right, that's a commendable job done by all the teachers and all the students. Thank you so much.
Today we have enjoyed an annual sport day and it was a fantastic program, well organized, well managed. I wish all the teachers all the best and kind support to the students. Thank you.
Today is a day of celebration, a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students, teachers, and support staff. This year has been an exceptional one for our school, and we have achieved many milestones together. Let us also take this opportunity to express our gratitude to our teachers and staff and PT teachers, Maushis, who have worked tirelessly to make school what it is today. The school's annual sports day break down psychological barriers between students and teachers. Everybody is encouraged to participate in the annual sports day and take part in making it memorable. Whether they are students, parents, our staff, PE teachers, admin staff, let us embrace the spirit of celebration and unity on this day and continue to work towards making our school the best it can be. I take this opportunity to thank all who have gathered here for annual sports day. It gives me immense pleasure to witness our little ones perform year and year with so much confidence. I want to thank our transporter, Vishal sir, Ganesh sir, our working staff, our Maushis, our teachers, our PE teachers, our daycare teachers. Without all my teachers and counselors, this program would just not be possible. All my nannies and office boy, Vishal sir, Ganesh sir, Patil sir, and our founder Deepak Paigude for their hard work. Last but not the least, to the most anticipated question of the evening, who is our chief guest for this day. Please join me in welcoming our parents. They are chief guests for today. I thank all my parents who have come along to encourage us and all our students in their endeavors. Thank you.